Episode 29?
Yes.
Yeah, holy moly. We're almost at 30. Lipo fire soon. Welcome to episode 29. Aaron's just doing something else, so I'm just going to talk right now.
I'm just making sure we're actually on episode 29.
You're just messing around. I know we're on episode 29.
We're actually on episode 29.
Come on. How come you don't pay attention?
Oh, this is just flies by making these episodes.
This is embarrassing.
What? I'm sorry.
Your show is like...
No. Let's get something correct. It's our show.
It's our show.
So with it being our show, he's Chris, I'm Aaron. Welcome to episode 29. I'd have to check, I'm sorry.
It is episode 29.
Episode 29. So we got some cool stuff. We're going to unbox the MS01D drift car.
MST.
Roll that up. Bring that there.
We've got a brand new Slash 4x4 and a brand new paint job.
Yeah, brushed. So we're going to talk about this tonight.
Yes.
So yeah, we got lots of cool stuff going on. I think you're going to do a fire of lipos.
Yes.
Or is that next episode? Because like we got some angry people at you right now.
Should we do it this episode?
I think we should.
Alrighty, let's do it.
We got to bring some excitement. We can't just look at your
fires.
beautiful bearded face all day. So yeah, we go do the lipo fire too. So we'll do some stuff about that. But let's get right into it. So let's unbox the MS01 first. So we got something new to unbox today.
Yes, an MST MS01D.
So I'm kind of interested to see what body's on here. I haven't really opened it up and looked at it yet. So you ready?
Ramp. Let's open it up. Let me see it. I'm giddy.
Okay, so first things first, we got a nice MST sheet of all the stuff, all your hop-ups and wheels and bodies and belts, accessories. So that's kind of neat.
And then we've got our build book with the antenna tube, some stickers, and a few little tools and parts in there.
Yeah, so it looks like we're going to get our steering linkage and our battery hold downs with those O-rings. So it's something a little bit different on this car. They just use an O-ring on either side of the battery box to kind of hold it in. We'll show you that later.
I see Nismo stickers. I'm thinking a Skyline.
I think you're correct.
Ooh.
So they actually have the body pre-deckled.
R34.
But they didn't put the headlights on there. So I wonder if they're going to give us bezels later on the box. Let's keep going and find out.
Looks like there might be bezels in there.
So let's pull this body out.
Nice.
This is like my favorite body. So don't get any fingerprints on it. It's not ours. So thank you to Sean. Sean let us open this up before he picked it up.
Looks super nice next to the BMW.
I don't know. I like this better.
Red
It's blue. It's like
super
beauty. Nice sparkle metallic.
Really good metallic on there.
And it's already got like all your window decals on. All the bezels are on. Taillights are on. So it gives you some extra stuff. So it's kind of neat. I like that.
Nice.
Okay, so you keep going in here.
Bezels, headlight and taillight. So 3 in the front, 2 in the back.
This is probably why they didn't put the headlight decals on.
Probably.
Totally makes sense.
There's our spoiler, already body colored along with the mirrors.
I like that. We also get a 2.4 gigahertz radio. This is an RTR. The only thing you do need to add on to this is a battery and a charger. So let's get this out maybe. Okay. So super basic. You get your power switch on off, throttle and steering reverse, some trims, so some super basic stuff on the remote. Chris is just amped to get this
I'm already looking
I don't know
at
if you can
stuff.
tell. Okay, you want to rip it out?
Pull it
out.
Oh, there it is. Belt drive. So it's got a one-way front diff in it.
Yep.
It's got counter steer gearing.
Yeah, so it's 1.5 to 1.
Yeah.
Is the CS
So
gearing
the back
that has.
end's gonna spin a little bit faster than the front end.
Yeah.
Just like on my Yokomo.
I like the carbon fiber upper deck
Yeah,
stock.
super nice, yeah.
Brushless motor speed control stock.
Yeah, what's the KV?
This is a 3000 KV.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2-cell.
2-cell compatible.
Two-cell,
yeah. So the only thing this doesn't have out of the box is a gyro, but really on your 2-wheel drive is more needed than
exactly.
a 4-wheel.
All-wheel drive, they're pretty easy to drift around. So
yeah,
this is going to be really nice. I'm really excited to see it in action.
Yeah, well, we should probably take her downstairs and take her for a rip.
Oh, we could already knock those. They could knock those out for some more steering angle too.
Yeah, get you a little more steering. But it's quite nice. But it needs to break in a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a really nice car. I can't believe all the stuff that comes with stock. The only thing I guess it looks like you have to do is set up your steering.
Set up your steering, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty minor. That's probably what that extra parts section was for.
I'm sure, yeah.
Yeah. So, we should take her for a riff.
Yes.
So, What?
We got a new Slash.
I know, right? It's pretty cool. So this is the brand new offering from Traxxas. This is the Slash 4x4 brushed edition.
Yes.
So this is going to come with a brand new body scheme. So it
Brand
has
new body, very nice.
Yeah, the orange, red, black, yellow, and there's also some silver metallic going on in there as well. This also is going to come in a blue-green option with the silver metallic. Something really, really bright. Another new thing you might really notice right off the bat, brand new bright orange wheels. No
Yes.
chrome, orange. And then the blue-green one actually comes with lime green wheels. Super bright, looks good. So this truck is going to come...
Your heavy-duty drive shafts.
Yeah, heavy-duty drive shafts. You're going to get a battery, 3,000 mAh, 8.4 volt.
With charger.
Stick. Yeah, DC charger, so your cigarette lighter, 45-minute charger. XL5, 2-cell capable, 12 turn 550 size Titan motor. Waterproof steering servo as per usual. Waterproof box, waterproof ESC,
Still 32-pitch gearing.
I think.
Yeah, I'd assume so.
Well, let's go get a screwdriver.
Yeah,
and
let's
find
take
out.
a look.
Because I know the Stampede 4x4s came with 48 pitch. That's a good idea, Chris.
That's true.
I appreciate your honesty. Let's go get a Scodiver.
I always look on the box.
I don't think it actually physically says on the box. I looked. Holy mackerel.
Yeah, you look real.
No, I'm kind of bad at this. And another attribute to today's episode, we have dogs. The dogs usually aren't here when we're filming, but they are today. I'm pretty sure it doesn't say Deaver. Okay, we're gonna crack her open.
I'm pretty sure you're right.
Beautiful thing.
They used to give you more information on some of these boxes, but
The beautiful thing about Traxxas products, like these Slashes and Stampedes, is there's one screw to get into your...
no, doesn't say. Guess we'll tear it apart.
So what you're saying is I was right for once?
Well, you're right about we have to tear it apart.
But it's 32 pitch.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so 32 pitch gearing.
Yep.
You're gonna get a little bit of downgrades though, comparative.
You've got a little
to-
bit thinner steering lengths.
Yeah, the VXL.
Yeah.
Yeah. So steering lengths, upper control arms are not adjustable.
Drive shaft is in aluminum.
Plastic drive shaft. So there is a couple upgrades you could do to make it more similar to the VXL, but that's pretty minor. With the 12-turn Traxxas power, probably not really going to have to worry about it all too much.
It's probably going to go pretty good.
Yeah, I do really like, though, that they put the HD slipper clutch in there.
Yeah.
It's not an upgrade like it was on the Rally and the Stampede 4x4. That was kind of a downside, in my opinion.
You can still run 2-cell Lipo off it, so it should still go pretty good.
Yep. Yeah, you
Comparable
get,
to a Rustler or anything like that.
yeah, still get your Ultra shocks, as per usual, so oil-filled shocks. Still get the same bumpers, same body mounts, all that stuff. Non-LCG chassis, so it's your regular pan chassis. So nothing too crazy, but they come in at a pretty decent price point, considering it does include all your electronics. So that's always pretty awesome. So if you're looking at a great present for Christmas, which is coming up here pretty soon,
Yes.
birthdays, you're looking in the $400 range, this is the truck to go with. So Slash 4x4 brushed edition. Also, in the next 3 weeks or so, we'll be receiving the Rustlers in brushed
I'm excited
and
to see
brushless
those.
four-wheel drive. So that's brand spanking new as well from Traxxas. Probably about the same range for 409, 420 for the brushed, and then about 520, 530 for the brushless. So kind of in line with the regular Stampede 4x4s and Slashes. So something else really cool coming down the line from Traxxas as well. So I see you brought your brand new body, Chris.
Oh, I did.
So let's take a look at
So
this.
it's a BMW E30 M3. So that's on the same chassis I've been using for a while, the Yokomo YDP 7 Plus.
Is there any dashes or random
There's a dash in
squiggles?
between the 7 and the P.
This is like getting like MST. They have to
know,
put like
right?
random like squiggly dashes and like extra slashes just so you know what the name is. Because there's way too many random numbers and letters going on in there. So now you added more with the M3 and BMW, like all your acronyms and letters again. So yeah, it's a thing.
Yeah, I did the mica red with some gold flake in it. It's kind of hard to see in some lights, but you can really see it up close.
Yeah, in the back bumper section,
the back-
like
the
just
rear I
the
really
lip of
focused
the
on,
tail cone there, you can really see the difference.
So I changed the alignment up for the new body just to fit the tires in a little bit better. I had to put wider hexes in the back so that the tires just fit into the wheel wells a little bit nicer. So now it's ready to test out and give it a shot.
Yeah, so that's awesome. So we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna take that brand new MSO1D, and then we're gonna take Chris's car, and we're gonna go for a little bit of a drift session And then kind of the main event for what everyone wants to see,
Yes.
a lipo fire.
Fires.
So again, like straight, we do not
Don't
recommend
try this
doing
at all.
this. Don't like think this is a great idea, because it's not.
Mm-hmm.
This is honestly just so you guys and gals know the risks of running lipo, especially if you are not careful
This is
and
why
you
you
don't
put it in
charge
the
them
bag,
properly,
right?
or you don't put them in a lipo bag. So we just honestly want to say that right off the top.
Yeah.
This isn't like we're doing it for fun and we do this on a regular basis.
It's a little fun, but not on a regular basis.
Yeah,
ever.
this is just to show you the dangers of a LIPO battery. So I just want to get that right out of the way. I know it's a straight buzzkill. You guys are going to be mad at me, but I wanted to say it because people were thinking that we do this all the time, but we don't. So, yeah.
right, folks, you asked for it. Lipo battery fire time. Now, before I start this video, I just want to say this is not something you should be doing at home. I am a journeyman mechanic. I've been in this hobby for a long time. I know all the dangers of lipo batteries, so I know exactly what I'm prepared to happen. So I'm out here on the beach, on the beautiful river with the TRX4, and we are gonna start to light off some lipos. I will be setting off 2 5,000 mAh Traxxas power cells and also 1 4-cell 1800 mAh. So let's see how those go. Let's get right into it. Come on, guys. So I've got battery number 1 set up here. The Traxxas 5,000 mAh 3-cell. I've got my board with my screws. I'm ready. I got the camera set up. I'm gonna switch over to slow-mo on this guy so we can see it happen. Let's get this thing going. Remember, do not try this at home. Let's see what happens when a lipo goes bad. Still going. Still just smoking out. This is the 5,000 mAh Traxxas 3-cell. It stopped for a few minutes and then it kept going again. So that one we didn't have any fire, it seems. It might be a little bit on fire inside the case a little bit, but mainly just smoked out on this time, so not that bad. But still a lot of smoke, I'm glad it's windy today. Oh, here we go. Look at this. There we go. We got some fire now. So see how it seemed stable and then suddenly just went. So I'm gonna back up a little bit for safety here. Look at that, eh? So lipo batteries, they may seem safe, but all it takes is a few pokes and the chemical reaction starts. And this is what you get. So remember, keep your lipos in a lipo bag because you do not want to burn your house down. You do not want to be that guy. Good one. The fire is still going. All our cells have now expanded, so I don't think we're going to see anything else fancy happen. I think we're just going to end up burning everything off. You can see all of our layers exposed there, so we're really just burning off the excess plastic now. So I think that's the end of that guy. Lipo fire number 1. All right, guys, this one is just smoldering off. You can see You can see all the layers in there, just some smoke coming out. Let's do number 2, the last one. Another 5,000 mAh Traxxas. Seem to have a problem with puffing. Weird. All right, ready? I got my mighty board. Let's do this. We got some smoke already. Now you gotta start to be careful because it's gonna happen real quick. Should we give it one more? Oh, the smoke's starting to speed up. Here we go. Would you? That's, I think, only the first cell that's popped. So we're still waiting on the other cells to pop. That's what happened on the last one. Just gotta be patient. Still smoking away. Cells are going to want to go in this one. Oh, there we go. There we go. When in doubt, there we are. Look at all that smoke, fellas. Number 2. I don't think the third cell is let go yet. It looks like it's still fairly flat in there. So waiting for the last one. Storing your lipos in a lipo bag, now is the time to do it. Have you seen what these can do? Really, there's no second guessing it. Lipo bag, an ammo box, something that's going to retain that flame. It's just safe, you know. You don't want to end up hurting anyone or anything like that. I brought the trusty old TRX4 with me. Oh, there we go, look at that. Third cell, there's the fire. Look at that. It's a mean little fire. It doesn't smell downwind from here. I'm sure it smells really bad. There we go. 3 lipo fires, or 2 lipo fires, sorry. I did bring 3 batteries, but that one was pretty dead, and I'm pretty satisfied with the 2 lipos I did. So, I hope you guys learned something from this and will pick up a lipo bag in the future, or right after you watch this episode, please. Where'd all the cars go? We drifted them right out of the planet.
We drifted them right off the step.
How come you haven't been using your Von Gittin drifter, Aaron?
Oh,
gotta get some use out of it. We gotta do some modifications. People want to see some modifications on it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Well, MS01D, I really liked it. It needs a little bit more steering angle. It's got the counter steer gearing, so it's already what I'm used to with my car.
Yeah.
Small alignment issues and a little bit more steering angle, and it'll be a really great car.
Some fine tuning would be really good.
fine-tuning,
Yeah,
exactly.
like I think the biggest thing is it's kind of lazy because of the steering angle.
Yeah, if you
right?
can't
Like,
turn it that little bit more, it's really hard to recover from those high angles.
have to agree with you on that one. Yeah. But yeah, that was episode 29, the Ultra RC Hobbies Show. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share with all your friends on Facebook and other social media platforms so they don't miss all this awesome
Insta-slam.
action. Yeah, we're on Instagram too. We always forget to talk about Instagram.
Yeah.
We also have Snapchat as well, Ultra RC Hobbies. So make sure you check out those as well. But yeah, thank you for tuning in and watching episode 29. Remember, the Lipo fire was just as a display purpose. We do not recommend doing that ever under any conditions. We had everything in place to be safe in doing it. And again, we weren't doing it for fun. We're just doing it to show you the dangers of a Lipo fire.
Exactly.
Let's cut that in one more time.
One more time, at least.
But yeah, thank you for watching episode 29. See you on the next one.